Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltz in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where I belong. My knees are weak, my heart is strong. So give me your word, and I'll give you all I got. No, we don't have much, but it sure feels like a lot. So take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Take my heart and take my hand. I'll be your lover and I'll be your friend. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Pengantin naik kaluhur, nembe mama ngawurkeun. Supados pengantin teu kagulai, mangga urang kawitan. Mulung jalan rahayu ngembat jalan rabi. Mulung jalan rahayu ngembat jalan rabi. Awalnya tepung rasa, meski tasih lahir batin. Di patri gua kanika, ting terima kasih laki Rabi. Sakitu nu kapihatur mugiku hidup anaki. Dicatat salamina matri dina sanubari bakal dina rumah tangga jimat anu laki Rabi. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mugi Gusti nang tayungan. Ka ibu tahan heula, panganten heula, payung punten ka pinggir, Teh Uci sareng Iqbal siap. Awur anu munggaran, sedekah anu munggaran di panganten. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bapak kayaknya pamungkasnya. 1, 2, 3. Wah! Panganten punten. Awur artosna di awur. Mangga aya nanti Ibu Ramana 1, 2, 3. Iya. Kakaler, Kak idul kakulon kawetan sing walatra. Alhamdulillah ya rabbil alamin. Mudah-mudahan rezeki nu diawur-awur sing kagentosan di langkung-langkung. Uluh meuni sakeler kagehan gitu ieu MC. Aduh. Sok Bu awurkeun etang-etang ngiring bingah ka Teh Usi, ka Iqbal. Ibu abdi na teu acan geuning. Atur nuhun. Awur diawur ku beas koneng. Awur sadayana ngiring bingah. Awur artosna diawur-awur. Awur diawur ke hebat. Awur resepnya iya mah anu mulung naon ge garulis karasep pemulung intelek ya mah. Sok aya keneh terus ka dieu ka anu nyawer. Awurkeun untung panganten tos diamankeun teu kagoleh. Aya keneh sok awurkeun. Iya. Alhamdulillah. Ibu atau abdi na mana? Diawurkeun. Bur. Alhamdulillah. Sok Iya, masih seueur keneh, aya 2 karung keneh. Awas jaga prokes, jaga jarak. Alungkeun sing tebih. Alah eta jajang kumaha sih? Sok. Terus dibagi rata. Iya, wargi sadayana rupina cekap acara bantayan upacara adat Sunda ti awit sungkeman dipungkas ku sawer panganten. Hatur nuhun simkuring ti sanggar seni panghegar anu dinten ayeuna gawe bareng sareng Teh Yesi sareng Devin WO. Hapunten bilih seueur kakirangan hatur nuhun kana perhatosanana. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mangga tos mundur.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard. Trash, got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no. Just say yeah. And we'll go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Look Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I